Welcome back to this Interact training video. Based on the previous highlight movie creating video, I want to show you something much more interesting. Now imagine that you want to export a video showing all situations where the participant is turning his facial expressions from concentrated into irritated. Then this can be done as follows. Let's go to the main statistics to see the timeline chart. Now within the timeline chart I see that the participant is concentrated here, but he's getting irritated here. He's concentrated here again, getting irritated here. Concentrated here, getting irritated here. Now this is very interesting because we only have to code the concentration and the irritation, and then we can ask Interact, please show me all those sequences between as new events. To do so, let's go to the contingency filter, and within here I select facial expression, concentrated, and again facial expression, irritated. Now I say if those two codes follow each other within 5 seconds, or let's say 10 seconds, here 10 seconds, then I call this a contingent behavior in a new class called Conti, for example, concentrated to irritated is my new code. Now I want Interact to find those contingencies. Here we are. Interact found 3. Close the document, close here. And now as you can see here, Interact created new events for me. I can now double click each of those and Interact will immediately show me that situation where the participant's facial expression turned from this to that. I also check this in my statistics. Now I have the new code in here, and as you can see, this is my what I call the contingency interval. Person's concentrated, it's getting irritated, concentrated, getting irritated. As you can see, it starts at the beginning of the concentration. I can also say I want to get a new code that only lasts from the end to the beginning of the next one. To do so, let's go to the contingency and filter again, facial expression, from concentrated to facial expression irritated within 10 seconds, and I just want to use the end to the beginning. I have the new class contingency here and say con to ir. That would be my new code. Finding contingencies, yes, there are 3 again. If I show that in my chart, you see I have exactly this fragment here showing those situations. And now because there are events in Interact, I can also select them, go to edit, find in the contingency class, con to ir, yes, 3 items found, obviously this one, that one, and that one in the background, because as you can see here is the code. And I ask Interact to create a highlight video showing those situations where the mood of that participant changed. So just select highlight movie creator function. I want to get this teaching to video, save. Now Interact is creating that video. Takes a few seconds, and here we are. Now here's the video. I can just open it, and now what I would see here, if my codings would have made correctly, then I would see all the situations where the mood for the participant changes, and that's something really amazing, because the only thing you need to do is to code very simple behaviors, and Interact allows you to combine those behaviors to analyze much more complex things like in this case, those contingencies. I hope you like this demonstration, and to see you in one of the next demos again. Thank you and goodbye.